You know what I say? Well, you don't really plan, still just prepare.
Yeah, fear for prepare for fail.
Yeah,
so we just
plan.
prepare. That's the thing. So even though we had some other artists planned for them on the show, and regardless of them couldn't reach at the time, we still work with what we have and know the strategy what we have come out with that got just different. You understand?
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Muscle, and this is another Two Line Music Cuts Entertainment Report podcast, The Pull Up. And today we have two very special guests in the building. Listen, a few weeks ago you seen them dominate. I'm talking dominate over at the Red Bull Culture Clash. And then they went on a tour in Japan. Then now they're here in Toronto, and then they're back to Jamaica tomorrow. You know, we have in the building today, we have Stainy and Brandon from Game Changaz in the building tonight. What's going on, gentlemen?
Yo, on a day I muscle, 1 2 line.
Bag of one father.
Yeah, father, but we out here, man, I do put in the work. You see it?
I see that. Listen, I see what you guys are going on with, because again, I spoke to each of you guys individually. Now, this is the first time I get to speak to you guys together, CM time, after the big wins, the big tour, the holiday season coming up, the anniversary coming up. There's a lot of stuff. There's a lot of grounds to cover, so let's just get into it one time very quickly, all right?
That is it.
So first thing I want to cover is Red Bull. This was so crazy watching you guys on the Red Bull stage. I seen it from my phone in my house, but when I seen the man them working, I said, yo, this is what's good. What was it like getting the phone call to know that you're actually going to be in a clash like Red Bull? What was that phone call like?
Well, getting the call and that opportunity, we couldn't make the opportunity slide. Regardless of who call we have to put, forward together and say, yo, so this go and Brandon, and him say, yo, what? Big opportunity that I would just make it happen. From Cham link we, murder. I one link.
Been a dream about that moment, the man went arrive.
Yeah.
It was a tremendous feeling,
Can't even explain. Yeah. From you get that chance, I make you side.
Mm-hmm. And how long ago did you guys know about this clash?
A couple months still.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Say Red Bull. Red Bull got to work already.
Couple months.
And you guys just had to hold it down until promo came out and stuff.
Yeah. I know, so you have to be, everything have stages in it, and I rush it. Remember, say Red Bull them set them something, and Madhouse set them something, and so we just have to just work with what go on. And them send for those top striker, them and said, no, are them youth here, are them a lucky street, so we need
this
them on the team.
Dance,
Yeah.
Yeah. No, you could see that even the team that they put together, you could see that you guys really worked. Like you guys sat down and came up with a game plan, say, yo, this is how we're going to attack them.
Before the clash, Stain can't tell you no sleep. While Chidi, you no sleep.
It's non-stop working, non-stop studio work, rehearsal, and them something that are the difference with our team and the other teams. Mm-hmm. They might just take the opportunity and just array, but we have rehearsed, have put in the work, and I know say we are going to go execute one different type of way, that different strategy. We're not just going there just flat-footed. You understand?
And what was the thing here? What was a game plan going in from you seeing, okay, these are the teams here? What was a game plan going in to really say, this is how we're going to try and come out victorious?
Basically, still from a team perspective, it's a clash, and everybody I go forward out for like try war against each other and throw out, see me? Yeah, but the team, and the team leader, they done set a strategy, so we go entertain and win the people. And that would do, isn't it?
Yeah.
So our team, they kind of build up different from either all our team them, because we have a little bit of experience, a little bit of streets, a little bit of uptown, and we have the smallest team in the whole competition, if you notice that.
We say it was the smallest team.
Meaning by numbers, like
if everybody team you check, the London team, the other team, the Jamaica team, and even though we are Jamaica.
On stage, pack up, bag of people.
Bag of crowd, it put together. Mm-hmm. We were just 4 persons from the team, and Cham as the leader, Just pre the formation.
Because it was you guys, Captain Colin Hines, Copper Sean, and who else was on the team? Cyclone.
Yeah. And Cyclone was a special addition.
Yeah.
So it was just Game Changaz, Colin Hines, Copper Sean, and Cham.
Yeah.
And there's a team named Kaida.
So if you notice, if that was the showcase at first, and then on the night now we have a special guest, so we bring in the special guest selectors. That's Kappa, Cyclone, and Rhymo.
What I want to know was who was singing there? Who was mixing the artist them when they were actually performing? That's what I want to know. I seen Brandon on the front giving them the, you know what I mean, giving them the beer style and everything, but I couldn't see who was mixing the artist them back there.
And me and Kappa Shannon mix the artist them. Cause with a sheer, you know, the formation different. Yeah. So the round just different. How them get 4 the hard way, bigger than Broadway.
Vibes crazy.
Around 5.
Yeah.
Vibes mad.
I want different synergy.
90s dance.
90s, you can't get better than that. 90s come like a desert dance, I'll really get that. You see me?
The full pump.
Yeah, father.
You
But
know what I
like
mean?
90s dancehall.
Yeah. Nah, man, when I seen it, it's like, again, as I said, why I wanted to know who was mixing there this time, because it seemed too perfect. You see when Killer run out, Beanie run out, Louis Culture run out,
Everything does.
Cham run out,
Time
and
is
even
set.
all Sokowa 21 ran out, and I seen him go. The man them
And you hear it a mix one time.
No. And I said, what?
I go.
That's what I'm saying. But
Yo.
I experienced all of that.
Yeah.
Differently from the rehearsal, go on all of that, because it's not everything happen planning. You know.
But okay, that's what I was going to ask you.
Yeah.
What was it that, what was spontaneous and what was it that you guys had planned to do that never really worked out with certain artists, certain things that you guys might have planned that never came true, or certain things that were just spontaneous where on the spot we're doing this and it worked?
You know what I say? Well, you know, really plan, still just prepare.
Yeah, if we prepare for fail.
Yeah,
so we just
plan.
prepare.
You see me? Just
That's the
prepare.
thing. So even though we had some other artists planned for them on the show, and regardless of them couldn't reach at the time, we still work with what we have and know the strategy where we have come out with that got just different. You understand? Yeah.
No, you could see it was definitely, you guys came, because I'm not going to lie, I think your first round where I think you said, okay, I'm going to bless the place now. It started off slow.
Good.
and
Yeah,
built up.
yeah.
It wasn't just shouting
No.
right out the gate.
Yeah,
You
it's-
understand?
That is it, man.
Structure, man. I always say, I have to
It-
dig the foundation first.
Yeah.
We go out there for entertain.
Can't build a house. without
Even though them said the first round, this and where we have to go out there and make a mark from first impression last, right? That is it.
And who did you think from you seeing the lineup was going to give you guys the biggest? Who was the biggest competitor? Who you said, this is who we got to get rid of, or this is who we got to concentrate on? Can we think or we know that they're going to pop out some things? Who was the biggest threat?
Room in everybody head, man. Never fear nobody.
We never go there a fear nobody, because
Room
basically
in people head top.
the side where I say England, all of them man, none of them never got
Dead
England
boy
yet.
and dead girl, all of them be out.
And the soca side, you can't come to Jamaica and feel like say, Ray, Madhouse, I want different formation. But the only side what me think, this is my opinion, is Jamaica, because you hear what them call themselves Jamaica, we say.
Yeah.
So we have to actually prove ourselves. You understand what I try to say? So there was only person you can look for there and say they can expect anything from them, because they're Jamaica.
Yeah. And you're on the ground.
Yeah.
So then you figure that if anybody's going to give you the competition, it's going to be them. I'm not going to lie. At one point, they were fire.
Yeah.
Two bars. Them did
Father bad. When me say I'll fireman run out and goes,
Yeah.
and me see place go so. And I say, but to me, at this tragedy of them father do the wrong. He came out too quick, because they don't know we have in store.
So you think they should have held back a little
Yeah,
bit
them-
more, and then when they see what you guys are running out with, then they run out.
You have to strategize when you're going in a war, man.
Yeah.
That them never do.
Yeah. No, man, definitely. And what would you say was your strongest round in Red Bull?
First and the last.
Yeah.
But you say, Bama?
Both of them.
Yeah.
First and the last. And that was the plan.
And them that most effective one. Them for
You have to make sure your first impression
And last
strong
impression.
and your last impression strong as well. Now the middle, you know,
You just
it's
need to stay,
entertain.
make sure
Yes.
you stay in the
Men-
conversation, stay around. But you see, as you said, when you first come out, make sure that they know you're there. You see, when it's your last round, make sure that they know you're there too.
I lie.
That's the name of the game.
Yeah.
You understand? In the middle, you could just
Starting
stay
and
afloat.
finish.
you stay afloat in the middle.
Yeah.
I know say, yeah, Galtian.
Yeah, no, but definitely the Cham, Bounty, Beanie, Louis Culture, Sukowad, the whole of them on one when they were just on the Showtime boss.
Yeah, man.
That
Boss.
crazy, man.
I could see, especially in Brandon, in his face, you could see that when the forward him was taking him, boss, it's like he loved this, bro. You know what I mean? Love it.
And the vibes and the passion for music.
Remember say, at the G first clash, you know. That's it, that alone. And if you know, say even your first class, say win a major competition. This is not this bigger than World Clash, you know. World Clash surrounded by like a circle set of sound, you know. Red Bull bring
It's
it
a
on
culture,
a different
culture
level, you
thing,
know.
a culture
Culture
thing.
clashes, you know.
It's more global. They open it up a bit more so there's more worlds looking
Yeah.
in to global to the
It's a-
culture
it's a
clash
great look, man.
opposed to like
That's
a world clash type of
that's
vibe.
awesome. Like
Thing mad.
I can't explain.
No boy, man. No boy taste. Remember me tell you last time from interview, you
Of
know.
course.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
That is it, man. I speak to things to existence. Yeah, man.
No boy, man.
What I want to know now is the tune for tune part. This is where the thing get kind of shaky now because you had some people that thought that the other team won, you know.
All right. Oh, them win and I play back song.
But
Them
you
play
see-
back around
okay,
4 or 5 songs.
You see,
It's not one
because
song in or 2 song in.
It wasn't 1 and 2 of them.
And
Around 4 or 5.
eventually,
All right.
hold on there. Eventually, if them never play by the song, based off a crowd response, them that lose same way. Cause them for them last one.
For them last one, them call out an artist or nothing, you know. Remember say, we call out Eddie G from first round, you know. And make him sing just 1 or 2 songs him singing in the first round.
Yeah.
And then him there for even the last, that final 5 minutes there. Him and Cham come perform in an hour round as well, you know, in the last 5 minutes. And no, them not call up out them just they play back song, you know. If you notice the last 5 minutes there. So, them actually kill themselves. We just entertain the people, them.
Well, you see, even though it's playback, us as industry people and some people, we know that, you know. But you see, as the crowd know, they're probably not even paying that. They're just concerned with
Yeah.
what's going on right.
Alright, watch out. Out the whole night, which team deliver one proper package you can always remember. A Madhouse.
100%.
From
Madhouse.
start to finish. You see me, as you
Performance
say,
from start.
everything, opposite. For them thing, rush, hurry, come up.
Man
You
all
see
a
me?
war on stage.
Unprofessional, you see
Confusion
me?
a go on over there, so.
And
Be
next
a bad
thing-
with them a cuss, and all of them get the rules, you know.
Yeah, and we
So
alone no
the-
cuss nobody word.
All
Think
of them
about
get
it.
the
And
rules.
my first major clash that
just listen
I'm
to all
down,
of
you know?
Just listen over the clash.
Yeah.
Listen how much of them a cuss bad word, and listen Madhouse team.
Not even certain song now show no where they dog a play neither.
Everybody I tell go this, that, and go chuck and go flick and go. We're not entertainment.
And I don't even think you guys played any customs around there either.
The few customer play wasn't like this a certain way either. It has say, yeah, if you listen it back your ear, you don't have to explain. But it not this no prerogative way, I don't disrespectful way I tell you about certain things. Keep it
Oh, that's
kind of smooth.
man.
Yeah.
Smooth killing.
Yeah. Ray said, that's the type of killing you like.
Yeah, man, smooth
Yeah.
killing.
You don't have to clip yourself, man.
Yeah.
You clip yourself, you're tired.
And where's the trophy now? Who has the trophy or where is this trophy sitting right now?
A trophy there?
Yeah.
Trophy
Every
not
team
there.
member have a trophy, have a
Every
individual
team member
trophy
get
for
a
themselves.
plaque.
Okay.
I think we have him on the Instagram name of female. Every team member get a plaque. The trophy in the trophy room for the Madhouse. Because you have to understand that even though it's game changers
But you
apart,
have a
I
plaque
think
on the wall still, they're
them-
individual.
everybody
credits,
get
yeah,
an individual plaque.
Yeah.
That is it.
Yeah, because you know when you play with so many people, there might be one trophy, and I don't really get to have
Yeah.
one. So
Dave-
we could talk about it. You know?
Dave Kelly them deal with for them thing different. Dave and Cham them deal with them thing different. Every man get a
Professional.
plaque where represent Madhouse at the competition. From win, everybody get a plaque. The trophy just there one place up at the. Cause we have other trophies up there. Some bugger sitting. We go see it and say, all right,
That is it.
you see me?
Talking about that, you brought up a good name. Where was Dave Kelly that night? Was Dave in the building, or where was? Because remember, Dave is a ghost, you know. Bro.
Well, you have to just
Besides
go
you
and
guys, the real industry does not know what Dave Kelly looks like, bro.
them have to just go and think and wonder if him did it, you know.
Yeah.
See
Me
them
there,
also.
man. But you're not going to know who names us then.
You know, if we just go on one damn.
Probably you want to live side, you know, like, that is it.
They go up on the stage and them don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mix the song them too.
It is the ghost, bro. So could we say you guys are an official Madhouse song, official Madhouse selectors, or you guys were working closely with Madhouse that night there?
We basically been at work with Madhouse from a taller time. Remember, say even
It's a-
slow motion.
it's a team thing, man.
Slow motion, you notice that we in the
His
intro.
voice you hear first,
He
and
must
then
say
you
this
see
is
you right
dancehall.
away as, yes, bro.
So
It's a team thing.
it's a team thing from a taller time. It's not just like just two of the clash no him send call we. The G is a man where him believe in a people, and for you help him go help you.
Respect and loyalty.
You understand? All of them man we see him build and put on the team, and people help him along the way, coming up to be this Dave Kelly where everybody know. You understand? Colin Hines play a theme role, Kappa Sean play for them role, and we play as the younger generation play our role. So that are the little difference. So that with Madhouse, it's a family thing, man.
And how did you guys even get the link with Madhouse per se?
The general.
Bounty Killer.
One
Because
general.
you know Bounty Killer always there with event them and the something them and he endorses Game Changers and many other selectors in the street. From
Yo,
Bounty link with Cham.
Hold on,
Yeah.
remember what you said, Stainy, if the general no pass, you get pass.
Yeah.
That is it.
Yeah.
Never lie.
If the general don't pass, you're not get passed.
You get pass.
Yeah. Killer.
One general.
One general.
No, man, you could see he definitely, Sham, the whole of them enjoyed it. As I selected them, you guys played and everything. But even you, Brandon, no. I seen Killer made a post, said, yo, he's proud of you, whatsoever, but he's hope was proud too. Did you talk to Lynx after the clash?
Yeah.
Yeah. What did he say to you?
Same proud of me to continue the right thing. I'm God that, man. Why that, man?
One Booba Links, man.
Yeah.
No joke.
Yeah.
You G proud of the movements, man. Proud of the growth and everything, isn't it? Yeah,
And did you
'cause-
even talk to him before the clash or it was only after
And I
the
just
clash?
know. Me and him have a link still previously, you see me, but you don't know anything mad and anything busy. You see me? So we both don't have time to link with each other certainly, you see me? Yeah, but reach out to each other when it's time, you see me?
That is it.
The right time.
Yeah. Since we're talking now, I know what some of my favorite moments were in the clash. What would you say, Stainy, what would you say was your favorite moment? And Brandon, what was your favorite moment? One moment, if you could pick it out in your mind, to say this was the moment that I loved in the clash.
Started.
Like, the whole moment is like, I tell you this, 3 years ago, a vision said we enter Red Bull Clash. So like the whole moment is just special. No particular moment, no day. You see me, every whole life moment. Yeah. I would even get in a certain details, you see me, but
Yeah.
the whole moment is special.
We say the
you see me?
whole moment, just
Yeah.
I
the whole
same thing.
atmosphere.
The same thing me that said to
Yeah, the whole moment.
Based on the fact that even the opportunity you get, the Red Bull thing, and where every moment you take special, every single moment, you know, really regard the
Just
moment.
cherish
where
life and cherish
just
every
cherish the
moment.
whole moments to go on. Definitely.
No, man, definitely big. And would you guys winning Red Bull Culture Clash now? Does that guarantee you a spot into next year, or is just you win this year? What are the perks of winning a Red Bull Culture Clash?
The perks of winning the culture clash, it open up many doors, windows, all the road stop blow off more time. Make you get some different opportunity forward for you.
Price gone up too.
In a year. Yesterday's price
is
not
today's price.
different
it.
formation
Yeah.
now. So it's not just what go on for the night. Many doors open, many windows open, many opportunities are there for
Everyone
forward.
levels, man.
Yeah, so even the next clash, we don't know exactly can tell us, you know, say this I go on and we're gonna depend the next we don't give out the thing them like that. I'll say that no that go on with.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just look out for bigger and greater things from the
That
team, you
is
see
it.
me?
Yeah. No, definitely big congratulations to the man. Them again, it was amazing just to see, because again, I like to, after you have an interview with people, I like to see what they're
Good.
doing
Yeah.
after the fact. And to see, especially you, Brandon, on the stage, you're out there by yourself doing your thing. Everybody's here to make sure you're good. But you're out there. You have to say what you have to say. They can't tell you what to say.
Straight.
To see that you stood up and you hold it.
Father, we believe, man. Last time I we believe on the thing. We always believe in the thing, You see me, a new generation. We believe,
Yeah.
You see me? Now just talk. We have a talent for bucket. You see me?
Never lie.
And what you guys did too was take the new generation, what you guys do, and
mix
add
it.
it into the 90s
Yeah, that
and
mixture
everything,
there.
and it was just
Perfect.
perfect.
That is
Perfect.
it.
From first,
Yeah.
them I expect say I be in 90s and I give them new generation. From the first get-go. No joke.
No, proper. And right after Red Bull, you guys jumped on a plane and headed straight to the Far East, Japan. All right?
Oh, Japan.
How was the flight to Japan, and how was the whole experience being in somewhere like Japan? Because it's not like going to America or coming to Canada. It's a totally different world out
Very
there,
cool.
boss.
Very.
Totally different world.
Very.
I guess I know. This the flight alone hectic.
Yeah.
They must say there are whole heap of hours in the sky if you fly for reach over there. So that's why over there say no, if you have a lot of sounds we go over there so from Jamaica I do not tour. Much sound there at Jamaica a year I call forget the tour. And that tour they set even before Red Bull clash. So I don't want them feel like say a Red Bull clash. I give it a tour. You understand?
It was just the
Game
icing.
Changaz
They
been
couldn't
putting
get
in the
visa
work.
so fast.
There's nothing gonna go so fast. There's no way.
Yeah.
So all of this thing I put together, and
And the
there's
work
so
how
much
been
more.
put in over the years, man.
So the flight for go Japan, no easy. So that's our next formation.
Yo, crazy, man. Psycho,
And the
psycho.
food over there is not like the same way you used to, and everything just look a bit different. So
People talk.
You have to just learn for adapt still like water,
that is it.
And it was a good vibes. How were the dances and stuff when you guys were there? How were they when you guys were on the ground now?
It's a different vibration, man.
I want to tell you,
You
say,
see me?
them Japanese here,
Yeah.
them take up a culture.
Game changer, Ichiban.
Them take up a culture
Yeah,
different.
Ichiban.
It come like a piece of Jamaica them have over the same way. Them a get the same dance. Them you not have to play nothing different. You not have to go at the same formation.
Yeah.
And at that them want. Them want the vibe there. So
Yo, them party harder than we still, you know that?
they do.
In
No
Japan?
joke.
Yeah, man, Japan.
After the party are done, 4 or 5 o'clock, you have a
Party
next party, you go 8 o'clock, you have a next party, you go 10 o'clock, you left.
Them not sleep, man.
Yeah.
And it's just
None tal.
non-stop drinking and partying.
Yeah.
Different formation.
Did you expect that when you went to Japan, that's what you thought it was going to be, or what did you think it was going to be when you got there?
Well, it's not my first time in Japan.
Yes,
I went to Japan in 2012. So me kind of expect that something already with the bag array. So maybe with Brandon kind of be the first experience. So is that different, totally different from what they are yard.
Yeah.
Because even the fact that the show back a show, oh my God. And I no rest no day, you know. And some man that talk about tour and flying.
Yeah.
No, some of them run down fly. I never like fly more. Them bag of flying, they make you not want to fly. But the experience, I don't want enough selectors, enough people get like opportunity to get that. Because it's awesome.
Yeah.
No joke.
What was it like for you now, again, because Stainy said he's been there before. Now this is your first time in Japan. What was it like? What did you think it was going to be like? And what was it actually like now in your mind?
It is nice still, but I watch YouTube videos before I go there still, you see me? So I have an idea.
Yeah.
You see me? But the food though.
Where you say it's the food.
Yeah, food. Kinda different, you see me?
Yeah.
Yo, I've cooked a couple times over there.
Yeah.
Food kinda different.
This will really catch a look of formation. Like,
You have some meal nice still, you know, but some meal. You see me?
Yeah.
you have to just can
Adapt.
Adapt.
Like water.
Yeah. No,
That
but
is
you
it.
see, that's the thing with touring, especially you see now you guys are playing in a global market. Home is home, you know. Yard is yard. You know what you're going to get there. But when you go out to all Germany and them places, some
different.
Australia, you don't know what you're going to eat
You
out
have to
there
just learn for that, man.
quickly.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Especially when you're moving around.
you have to
Yeah.
everything.
Fast pace.
How many dances did you guys play out there?
9.
9.
It was 9 of them. Over how many days?
I think 13 or 12 days.
11 days.
So it's like almost basically
11 days.
that every night you got 2 nights of rest.
No rest.
One night rest you get Monday.
The one Monday I get rest.
Yeah.
I remember
Straight
every
through.
city, almost every city I take plane, you know.
Every city
So
I
as you done
play and train.
You got hotel, plane again. Don't play, hotel, plane again. Don't play, hotel, plane again.
That's how wild it was. So many planes you guys took out there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, that's why I tell you say about plane, him kind of tired.
Yeah.
Japan make a Clyde a plane flying, man. No joke.
I didn't realize the cities were so far apart. I probably thought from you get there, you drive to each location or something like that.
Japan big, you know.
Yeah.
Japan super big. And almost all of the cities them will go and all of the places them accept and love the culture.
Yo, we are
on
mega
different
star
levels.
Japan. Yeah, man, mega star.
No joke.
Not even superstar,
I
mega
remember,
star.
worse that you're just coming off of the Clash, bro. Your profile has got
Yeah,
sky
sky
high.
high,
And
price
then
too.
now you're the first set of anybody touching down there from the Clash. So your thing is next level. You know what I mean?
Everybody want, even before that, may I tell you, them been a watch it thing.
Yeah, I think mad, man, from before that, man.
Yeah, man. And
Nah,
I just the Red Bull. Them been a watch it thing and love half a thing. That's why even the Clash name, this is dance.
It's a grateful opportunity still.
You see me? Been
Big up
some
Red
city
Bull.
over that where even in a 2012 when me go there, me never go to that city there. So me know say I want different door.
Yo, high tempo juggling every night, you know.
Yeah. Every
I
night.
represent
night.
the culture and the country.
we
You
go
know.
hard for the culture, be.
I didn't know.
Like-
Nah, sleep.
So if you check out the grams, them upon gram, you can see some of the highlights and some of the thing them. But the party them, high tempo.
Yeah.
No joke.
I know.
Deliver.
Like that type of.
Them even I look for the next two already. Start to the next two already.
Until flight long, man.
So
Yeah.
okay, hold long crime in the making.
Flight long, you know. You know that.
Long.
Long.
It's the same thing like if you're going from Jamaica, if you're going to Japan, or if you're going to England, they're both just as long, bro.
Bro,
You know
you
what I mean?
sleep, you wake up.
England flight
England
long,
up-
but
England
Japan
up-
flight
but-
longer.
We say even longer.
Longer, bro.
Yeah.
Way longer. Way
Way.
longer. Yeah.
Come like you never go there. Mostly you need to go around there. And I tell you,
I dip on the plane and wonder, oh, you can't reach where you go.
Yeah.
you
you
sleep,
sleep,
you
you
wake up, you watch TV, everything, and you still
you
can't
still-
reach.
Crazy.
No, I remember
All right.
I went to
Let me
Greece.
give you a perfect example. These are the perfect example. We're over there, so 16 hours ahead of time, you know.
Yeah, for real, like future with you know.
Future winner, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember, say, all right, you see, today, the flight was 6 o'clock. Monday morning, right? And we reach Canada, 6 o'clock
Monday. In idea.
in the idea.
Yeah. I like.
Yeah.
Futuristic, man.
So it's like you had to go back in time to come
Back in time, forward, back. Right now,
Fall black.
I left the future and reach right here, so right now, two light music, entertainment. What?
It's mad.
Well, I didn't know it was that,
Yeah,
that
man.
crazy.
Everything over the
technology
future.
different. Japan, different.
Yeah, that's what I want to see. It's really the technology.
Everybody,
is what I wanna see.
like, everybody figure experiences.
Yeah.
Not only flight long,
Yeah.
but those who see certain things and things.
Different.
See it live and in color right
What you
in
mean,
front of
man?
you.
Yeah.
And you said the next tour is being planned up already.
Already.
Yeah.
No joke.
You guys need to probably touch down in the summertime.
Nah, that them a plan for though.
Yeah, cause
They can't deal with that with that.
over there cold thing.
You have some city. You feel like it Canada in competition. Yeah.
Yeah, man, over there cold.
Kanazawa and some place Ayot
Yeah, man.
Iwate. Yo,
Fukuoka
you have some name you can
Fukuoka cold too.
But you know what's amazing still, Awagwan? The fact that you're in such a far place to go play music, something that you one day in your mind you decide to say, yo, you know what, I'm gonna take up this music thing.
Alright, I take it so far and I heard.
It's a music take a place.
Yo, I'm telling man, say music is one language, you know. Yeah, man, one language.
Music take your places. That's why music
Remember,
in
you
my
know,
life.
They know one place where most of the people them do
Don't
speak
even
English.
speak.
I gotta make
But
them
them know the
move, I
music.
gotta make them a rock. You see me? Because them love the culture from them time until now. You see me?
The vibration of the music anywhere, everywhere. You don't have to understand the words.
Yeah,
But you
that's
see the
it.
vibration?
Vibration.
One blood,
Yes.
one music, man.
Yeah. Next big thing that's coming up for you guys now. I know it's back to Jamaica for the anniversary. When is it? December 7th?
Yeah, December 7th.
Listen, you guys are on a roll, you know, bro.
Yeah, we can't stop.
You're that on a tier right now.
It only get better and greater.
Believe and receive, man.
That is it.
What is the anniversary looking like for you guys now?
Well, the anniversary will be the 6-year anniversary. And it's going to be like, we'll keep it at Mystic Plaza on Agley Park Road. We have some crazy surprises and some crazy artists that going to turn out and show the love and the strength. We have some awards and some holy or something. You know, some people just nothing miss this.
Yeah.
You know, we celebrate the win
The
same
vibes
way
are mad,
because
man.
we don't really get to celebrate the Red Bull win yet the right way.
This is the real celebration right now.
Yeah.
At the
all the
anniversary.
vibes.
Yeah. The 7th of December.
Yeah.
That is it.
Definitely, because I know, as you said, this is the 6th, so you guys been keeping it for 5 years before.
Yeah.
And awards, artists, all those things there.
Yeah.
Every year.
Yeah.
Show appreciation to the street, you know?
Yeah. It's 'cause
Acknowledge, we forget acknowledge.
them show we love, so we have to, even one time out of the year, we give black on one level to the street. Isn't it? That
But
is
if
it.
it's a give black, show appreciation and acknowledgement, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're showing you the appreciation, so now it's time for you to show them
Yeah.
black the appreciation, right?
That
Yeah.
is it.
Yeah. No, definitely. And it's back into the holiday season. 'Cause even right now, the holiday season in Jamaica right now, boss, looks crazy.
Yeah, man, it's active, man.
First of all, where are you guys getting so much money to go to all these shows, these dances, these clothes, buy gifts? But where's the money coming from in Jamaica, boss? Because it's sure them,
Yo, you have to ask them.
boss.
Remember, slow money is better than no money. People them save their money on the right thing.
People them plan upon us come to Jamaica for have fun. And people them there at Jamaica, nobody feel like say Jamaica is a broke country. No one feel like say Jamaica broke, you know. Not because some of the money might call and say, yo, boss, you want to go there, can't say nothing. But Jamaica not broke.
Yeah.
We still all the vibes, we still rare. It not take a bug and nothing for keep happy. Isn't me?
You see, the trick with being in Jamaica is a bit different than being in like Canada or the States. You see, because everything has to come to Jamaica. That's where everybody has to link the artists, the sounds, and everything. There's more opportunities to make global moves from Jamaica than it is from Canada or US, you know. As funny as that sounds.
Channel. Yeah, me thrown away, though.
What?
Because Jamaica-
the
I
Europeans,
channel.
everybody has to
The
come
central,
to
man.
Jamaica.
Channel.
You understand? You know how many sounds
Jamaica,
in
I
Canada
plug.
that hasn't been to Japan yet?
No, that
From
man.
Canada?
You know what sound there? Jamaica have never been to Japan yet?
Listen to me. But that's where the thing there. But you see down there, it's like you get more of a fighting chance to go to those places there because that's where everything is happening. Everything is happening.
Central spot, man. And it's not, it's Kingston, Jamaica.
Yeah.
You can come to Jamaica and do over one part and you know,
Yeah.
the central, see me, a whole heap of sound there, Jamaica, a whole heap of selectors, you know. But if you're not there in that circle, to me, in a Kingston, even
have to be in the link.
even the link where they have Moby still have to drive come to Kingston. The central spot, man.
That's where everything's happening. And what does the schedule look like for you guys for the holiday season?
It's really busy. Busy.
Busy already. Crazy.
Busy. As I said, we have the anniversary of Forward Up. We have some more country show where the bin book for at all the time. And we have some things in the line where we can have talk about it. You know them way there? Yeah.
Just like how you guys had the Red Bull put on for a while and nobody knew. You guys have
can't
some more
talk
things
about
to put
Element
on.
does surprise
You
me.
can't talk about the
To
thing.
share. Because some people don't really like hear certain things. You know what I say? So yeah, it just bombshell.
Bob Michelle.
Yeah, man.
Just like thing there, 'cause even how you guys are doing road, Boba's in New York this weekend.
Yeah.
For World Bash. You understand? So everybody's doing road right now.
I dance look like it on mad too.
The active man and the big guns them roll out tonight, you know. So you know it will go.
That's a stage that you guys need to be on eventually, you know.
Soon and soon.
Yeah.
Every
God
stage,
and
man.
time.
From my right stage, I dip on it.
Yeah.
God and
As long
time.
as if you from a stage right,
Remember
I
say
wrong.
stages that will depend
Yeah,
already.
different.
Remember number of times. So we are going to go there again.
Yeah.
Bigger and better. Different formation. See younger generation.
Yeah.
Bodies.
That is it.
Definitely. Right now, this is got two more for you before I get you guys out of here. What's on the ground right now? Artist-wise, song-wise, what should we be looking out for the holiday season? Who has that song or who is the artist that we should be looking out for? Say, yo, holiday time, this is the song or this is the artist?
You can't even call one artist name. Only artist.
Only
that put in
artists,
the
you know.
industry.
But we have artists so we are sent to the road on a level.
So who are you guys sending on the road then?
You have an artist named 1OG Shani. Him we are running with that send a road now. You have Day Day.
Willful, skillful.
You have Willful, Skillful. You have a couple of artists in the
Will
line.
Fillers would kill her, right?
Right
Oh,
now.
yeah,
I
nah,
do
you
road
got-
just like, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
You see Eddie G. Bama go out himself right now. We have only artists today I do they do.
Yeah.
Quella, enough artists we have, you see me?
Season for greatness.
Yeah.
Yeah,
See?
man.
What is 2025 looking like for Game Changaz, right?
Like a sneak peek, I give you. England tour in March, isn't it? Yeah. 2025.
See it there? I'm telling no piece. Me not telling nothing.
Wait, we say you're not saying nothing.
No.
Yeah, man. England tour.
England
March,
tour,
so people in
March.
England, you know.
For the anniversary to all of them shows that we have come up.
Yeah.
And we have Gabidan party the first
of January.
of January and thing. It's then to
I mean,
Canada,
Wappings Thursday.
Canada and England. Because now we are flying for fully active Tuesday in the night. I want to go in on a Tuesday. You know?
Yeah.
So that's the main reason why we are going night Tuesday. Yeah. You have to keep the thing active, man.
Yeah. No time to drop. No.
Yeah,
catch,
no,
right?
no,
Yeah,
no
yes, sir,
catch.
keep
no
up the
drop.
ball.
Ball, no drop, man.
Don't drop.
Keep
Yeah.
up the ball.
That is it.
What would you for you guys? You're more seasoned because you did the fire song and all that. You're more seasoned, but it's still you're on your song that you just brought out 5-6 years now. What advice would you guys give to younger sounds and MCs that's trying to break into the business or is in the business right now?
Me that said,
Believe.
yeah, man, just believe in what you do, man. Just believe in your craft and just continue.
Just believe, man.
That's-
People are going to tell you things, you know. I just you have to pick sense out of nonsense, you know.
Yeah.
You have some people that fall down for drain all the energy too, you know. And tell you something will even make sense. I just you have to pick sense.
Out of nonsense.
Alright.
And stay consistent. That is one of the key
And stay out of
things.
trouble too.
Yeah.
Stay out of trouble.
Stay out of trouble.
Yeah.
No jokes.
Stay out of trouble and stay consistent. That is a must.
That is it.
Because I think you guys are doing that, but you guys were even lucky too to really get that co-sign by the general. From the general, I don't know if you guys had linked from before or whatever it was.
Is it lucky?
Lucky, boss, for general to say, yo, game changer.
You know, so me I link with the general from 27, 28. 2007, 2008, them time there.
From
Me and
those
Bounty
times.
Killer link, you know.
Yeah.
So yeah, and it's not luck. It's just RDN.
Yeah.
You see me? I just RDN father bad man. I don't luck. No old one a luck. God just set it one type of way. I say I saw it for happen. Anything happen, I saw it for happen.
Just so.
That is it.
Bombshell.
Yeah.
Hot.
Anything you guys want to tell the fans before we get out of here? Give them some booking contacts, some information where they can check you guys out. All that good stuff, any big ups, anything right now, the floor is yours 100% before we get you guys out of here.
Yo, big up every dance on the street, every skank on the street. Can't call everybody name, but big up everybody on the street every night. You know.
Support the thing.
Yeah.
And I put in the work.
You know the thing go.
Yeah.
Cause the street, you have a consistent in the street, you know.
The street
Yeah,
play a
so-
major part in the music in the
100%.
dance hall.
And
you know.
skank them play a
100%.
major role
It's-
too, so you have to big up every one of
The
them.
skank academic especially in it. And
Yeah.
while likewise the selector them and the artists.
Just big up the whole street.
Everybody play them part. We not call no name, but big up everybody.
Yeah, don't know
we
about
represent
IG.
the street.
DJ one Brandon, and Stainy, I got tell you for him, IG profile.
You don't know the sound thing a Game Changaz 876. Yeah, I don't know. Stainy _ Game Changers. That are my personal Instagram.
G9.
Fully trees.
They have a...
Yo, Listen, no, it's just energy, and it's just a vibe to see that how you guys are working. Because again, as I said, you guys just land. You guys are in the studio.
No boy, it is,
Like,
man.
we can't
And
tired.
tomorrow, gone
You see say,
Fully active.
we not lapse, you see me?
Yeah.
Nah, drop a ball.
But a lot of people don't realize how hard this is. A lot of people.
No, them just
on
see
stage doing and all
see
that.
certain thing and feel like
Them just look on the outside and I say, what? Wait. But them don't know the
a Japan just have hard from, you know.
Yeah.
Straight
Tired.
from the plane to you, say we not sleeping, you know.
But remember, that's a totally different time zone, you know.
Aye.
As I
Our
said,
active see me.
we're from the future.
You see me, active see me, I do it.
Yeah.
Forwarding from the coal.
That is it.
And
Into
forwarding
the
a
coal.
more
More
coal.
cool.
Into
So
the
just
sun.
work and then I go back now, son.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. The work never stop, man.
So no more planes for the rest of the year, though.
No, what you talking about?
It's at the year.
What you
Of
talking
course,
about?
Remember you have December.
Me I go US in a December. So, me don't know what you are talking about no more, please.
We have December.
Yeah, I thought you were just gonna say, okay,
No,
well,
man.
lock in.
Nah, man.
Yeah.
Me have a weekend for do a December. When him there, what you say, I go?
You go one place, one part.
Yes, me not follow up.
You have a weekend for go to America.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
me I go do a weekend and just forward block. And anything else next year.
Yeah. First time Game Changers in America?
And them now get the full package yet.
Yeah, now I get the full package.
Yeah.
Me I go one part. you
And me I
one
go
part.
US.
All right.
You see me?
So then
But
they
them
soon. They soon get the full
Just-
package.
Yeah, I can't give them everything
Some
one time, so
personal thing,
not
you know?
because we say bombshell.
Yeah.
You can't give all of them the bombshell one
One
time.
time.
Piece of this, time.
Yeah.
God and time.
But by summer still, they might get the full
Activate.
package.
Yeah.
You can get it in March.
Yeah.
By summer, they want to get it, you see me?
Now we got it up here in Canada.
Mm-hmm.
England's about to get it.
Yeah.
Japan just got it.
Yeah.
So clearly US is about to get it.
Yeah.
Too.
Definitely. You see how to go?
Yeah.
And then
Stages.
Europe.
We have Europe too. We're not even talking about that.
See
Because
how your
that a
body
lineup.
interview, you know?
Because Europe tour a line up, but them not stop till it minimum I say something about it. But everything good 3 line.
I just
Everything
greatness, man.
Yeah.
Non-stop.
Now they have fair reasons, you
No,
know?
man, I rate that still, you know. Stainy, Brandon,
But
big up yourself, same way, boss.
Manners and manners,
You
my G.
understand?
Love
From you
and
made
love
the
and
link,
love, man.
said 100%. Let's make it happen.
connection.
That
Can we
is
get the
it.
exclusive? Nobody is getting this fresh off the plane,
Yeah.
fresh to Canada just for a few
Aye,
hours,
aye.
straight to Jamaica.
Most like you alone get that formation,
Yeah,
yeah.
man,
Different, man. A family thing, man.
Yeah, man. You
That is it.
understand?
That is it, man.
Big up yourself again, yeah?
Respect.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Muscle, and this has been another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast, The Pull Up, and we are out.
Fully trees.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusichut.com.